Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Mobile Legends. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to add friends in Mobile Legends game. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. From your main lobby page, tap on the human icon with a plus in it on the right hand corner. Now you'll be able to see an Add Friends tab. You can now go ahead and enter a name that you have of your friend or their ID in the text box. Now tap on the name search or the ID search button and you'll be able to find relatable search with the name that you've given. Now to add one of your friends on your Mobile Legends game, you can tap on the follow button appearing on the right hand side right in front of the list. Once you add your friend will receive a notification that you have added them as a friend on Mobile Legends. You can also search friends from the nearby tab. Tap the nearby tab at the top and it will now search players nearby you. You can tap the follow button to add friends from nearby location on your Mobile Legend. Once you add friends, you'll be able to see them on the right hand side of the screen from your lobby page. That is how you can easily add friends in Mobile Legends. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.